I am Dr. Tariq Sheikh, working here in Taif Military Hospital, Saudi Arabia for last 28 years. And I am diabetic for last more than 40 years. And I am 67 years of age. When kidney functions deranged, I was about 57 years old. About 10 years ago, it happened to me because of diabetes. Slowly, my kidney function became deranged and urea creatinine was raised. All the symptoms were there, whatever you think about the renal failure. Then I went for dialysis, and it was done for 3 months on with the central line. I didn't make fistula because I was thinking that I will get the donor and transplantation will be done very soon. But I was worried about the surgeon. Then somebody told me that there's a very good surgeon in Riyadh Military Hospital. And fortunately, he was Pakistani as well, Dr. Taqi Khan. I approached him, and then he told me that I have to get the approval from the royal family. Alhamdulillah, with the help of my few friends who are also doctors, I got the approval. And at the end of the day, they gave me approval for the military hospital, the same hospital where Dr. Taqi Khan was working. Now the next step was, who will give that kidney? I discussed with Dr. Taqi Khan, and he came to us all the way, and then he met my wife, who's my first cousin as well. And he explained that how beautiful matching can happen if she is your first cousin. And after that, matching process was started. I think this is the only positive thing if you marry with a cousin. Although ladies are very difficult and they don't donate you anything, but Dr. Taqi Khan was a great guy. He impressed my wife by his simple explanation, the way he explained to my wife, the way he explained to my family, and family agreed. And then my wife was also agreed to give me the kidney. Alhamdulillah, matching started, matching was done, and Dr. Taqi Khan was very happy the way our blood was matched with me. And then he started to explain not only to me on which he is going to do surgery, but also he explained to my wife what is the basic surgery and how we'll do the surgery, how many days she will stay in the hospital, how many days I will stay in the hospital, and what could happen during the surgery. Of course, this was his right that he explained us complications, everything, the complication of anesthesia, the complication of surgery. And even then, my wife was ready to do it. I was astonished how brave she is. Alhamdulillah, he asked to admit both of the patients. She was admitted in urology. I was admitted in nephrology under the care of Dr. Taqi Khan. And the day of operation, me and my wife, we met in the room where they are going to do surgery. He was going in one theater, I was going to the other theater. All my kids were there. They were going to my wife sometime. They were coming to me sometime, kissing our hands, kissing our heads. It was very any scene that is I usually see in the films. Alhamdulillah, we did the surgery, and during surgery, there was no complication. All the procedures went very smoothly, and all the surgery was done very smoothly. We came out from the operation theaters. She went to our room in urology. I went to my room in nephrology under the care of Dr. Taqi Khan. During all these procedures and pre-op and post-op, I noticed that Dr. Taqi Khan is not a good surgeon only, but he is a very, very gentleman, very nice human being, down to earth, and he keep himself running here and there, up and down. Even he does not have the time to take his lunch or dinner, and he was carrying backpack on his back, and I think that backpack is full of cupcakes. Always I saw he is eating the cupcake in between whenever he get the chance, and then going to the other patient, coming to us, and so on. Alhamdulillah, after few days, both of us will had discharged from the hospital. We went home, and even off the record, he was coming to us. He was giving reassurance. He was looking after to us. He was talking to me by phone. And when I go to him for follow up in the OPD, I saw that he has some beautiful, Yani, I cannot explain you how gentle he is. Although my wife was not his patient, but even then he was looking after my wife and he was explaining her all these things which happened during the surgery and post-op, and all the things went very, very, very smoothly. Alhamdulillah, we're still doing well. Now it is more than 10 years, almost more than 10 years. Recently, I did my urea creatinine. It is upper normal limit. I have no complication of surgery. I have no complication during the follow-up. And me and my wife both are doing very well. And I'm thankful to Dr. Taqi Khan for his gentle care, for his medical care, and plus some personal touch to me and for my wife and my family. Thank you very much. And I cannot explain how much I owe him. And one thing I just want to request you, inshallah, at the end of the day, when I'll go to Pakistan, I'll be settled there. I would like to follow up Dr. Taqi Khan for my future follow up. Thank you very much. So nice of you.